Good morning. I'm Mittens Meowington with your morning news update. A bomb blast struck a train in Pakistan, killing at least 24 people and injuring 70. Baloch separatist militants claimed responsibility for the attack. In the United States, President Trump remained safe and was not harmed after a shooting incident occurred at the White House today. In Serbia's capital city, groups of protesters clashed with local police officers today, immediately following the conclusion of an anti-government rally. In Las Vegas, the inaugural Enhanced Games officially launched, introducing an alternative sporting event that allowed banned substances, dubbed the Steroid Olympics. That's your morning update, and remember, never acknowledge your real name. I'm Mittens Meowington. Have a great day.